Okay, welcome back, everyone. So, we are going to be looking at the second hands-on practice, which involves the variables, data types, and user inputs with some functions. So, yeah, now the first question is first exercise is creating variables. The objective of the first exercise is practice creating variables and displaying their values. So I think, yeah. So for the first question is the task is create variable to store the following: your name, your age, and your country. So this is what you are going to do, and display all the three functions using prints. Okay, display all the three functions using prints, and yeah. Okay. Now let's start. Um, Now we are going to say we are going to be creating variables and putting it in sentence. So now let's say the first one is, let's just give it creating variables that includes my name, age, and country. I think we've done something. Okay, now let's give it the first one is name. So we just say name. The first variable we are going to be creating is name, and name is going to be let's say my name is Olusegun Daniel. Age is equals to 16. So age, let's say age, let's do it like this: age, I am 16 years old. Or should we say I'm 16 years old? So what's the question again, please? Create variable that study following your name. Display all three using prints. Expected results variable operator. Yeah. Okay. Now let's. I just want to use it in as a sentence, so you can use your own any way you want. Sorry. Anyhow you like. Or should I just say 16? Okay. Okay. Let's just say age. Okay. I want to do something like this. I'm actually putting it in a sentence. So display all three value using prints. Okay. Okay. Let me just say print age, country, country, Nigeria, Nigeria. Okay. Okay. So now you are displaying all three. Now you just say print. Okay, there's a reason why I'm laughing. Okay. Print, sorry, print's name. Name should be print's names rather. Name, print's age, print's country. So we have given each of these a variable. So name, I can just give it name. Let me just say name Olusegun Daniel. So now this is it. I've done that. And you can actually put it in a sentence too. So let's not just jump into that. So when we get there, we are going to cross that bridge. So now let's look at the second question. Okay, second question should be then I should be it's like I should be showing reflecting this question side by side instead of just typing it. Okay. Now this is the second question. I'm coming. Second question. Salary calculation. So objective learning to store number and so yeah. Now this is the scenario. An employee earns the salary of bonus of okay and the tax is this is the tax create variable for salary bonus create variable for salary and bonus calculate the total. I don't want it to be too long. Okay, let's we're supposed to be displaying this side by side. So you does not do anything. Let's just leave it like that. Display the following result. This is the results you are going to be displaying. Example output. This is what we are going to be displaying. This is what you are going to be showing. Okay. Now, now we are going to see salary bonus. We are working on that. It's going to be why bonus basic salary rather is going to be and bonus is going to be we remove this comma. So now they say we should calculate what is it called? Calculate the total salary. So total salary will now be remember we are not to put space anytime we are naming our variable. So total salary will now be um, remember we have different ways of doing naming our variables. I have forgotten the name of this. Okay, yeah, I've forgotten the name of this. We have the camel, we have the let me not stress myself. Let's just go straight to the point. I'm just trying to remember names. Now there's okay. Total salary is going to be that is basic salary plus. So like I said, no space in between. So it's going to be basic salary plus bonus. Basic salary plus bonus. So yeah, that's for the total. These are the comments there. The total salary is the so calculate total salary. This is the calculation for the total salary. And what else? What else? What are we doing? Yeah, let's calculate it. Let's print the results. So now, this is what we want to display the basic salary. So we are going to say print basic salary, basic salary, basic salary. Oh, sorry. Basic salary, print, we are going to say print basic salary, print bonus, bonus, print bonus, that's bonus will still be bonus, print bonus, let me hide this thing that's actually print bonus, what else, and print total salary. So print, print total salary. Then our total salary is this. Sorry. Okay. Let's look at our output. So as you can see, we got the same result. So the next question is exercise 3, which is user inputs. Exercise 3, user inputs. Exercise 3, user inputs. So this is the question. Objective, learn how to interact with users using user inputs. We know. So these are tasks. Prompt the user to enter their name. That's prompt the user. Tasks. Prompt the user to enter their name. To enter their name, comma, their favorite language, and their display personalized greetings. Okay, so example of the output. Example output. So this is how the output should look like. So just so we know now visits okay um okay so this is what we are going to do. The first one is interacting the user outputs using the input function. Let's say interacting with the interacting with users using the inputs function. So yeah, let's do that. So say the name. So say name. We start with name is equals to name is equals to inputs, then we say enter name, enter your name. Okay, okay, and we'll say favorite programming language. Favorite programming language. So I'm trying to like, hey, okay, short cut, no good. Okay, now just want to give it a variable. Don't want to, I don't know. Now, we'll say inputs. Um, enter your favorites. Sorry. Okay. Programming language. Enter your favorite programming language. Okay, what else? Okay. Mm, what else? Okay, prints. Let's print. So let's print to get this output. Say okay. You are trying to say print hello name. Hello. Kilo shele is not what I said. No, nah. Print. I mistakenly pressed hello name. Hello name. Then print hello name. Then print your favorites. Your favorite programming language is programming languages is your favorite programming language. Then we add this variable. So yeah, let's see. Oh, now what's going on? Okay, coming. Okay. My name is Olusegun. For Python. So it will give me this output. So that's how we use the input function. So the input function is this how we use it and this is how we execute it. So now let's go to the next one, which is exercise 4. Exercise 4, which is working with data type. I think that is straight. That one is just straight to the point too. Okay, okay. Just straight out of points. Let's do that. Exercise 4. Now, no system like this. Exercise 4. The objective is to understand Python inputs. The objective of this exercise is just to observe the input type. Creates a variable. Create one variable for each of the following types. Boolean, okay. And use the type functions to display use the type functions to display the data types of each of the following of each variable rather. So this is the output we should be getting. And yeah, let's do that. Now let's say x is equals to 30. X is what am I even doing? X is equals to 30. A is equals to 3.8. Let's say B is equals to Python. Python. And let's say C is equals to what data type are we looking for? Integer, floats, string, and a boolean. Okay, let's say C is equals to true. Equals to true. Then let's print it. We'll say print um, um, print type, then another internal bracket x. Okay, let me copy this instead of printing it. I don't like voila. A B and C. Let's look at it. You can see the first one, which is x, the data type is integer, as you can see 30. Second one floats, which is a 3.8. Yes. B is Python, as you all know. What's it called? Is a string. And the third one, yeah, the fourth one is true, which is boolean. That's C. So now let's look at dynamic typing. Okay, well, this one is long. It's about up to 6 exercise. Okay, dynamic typing. Okay, that's nice. Okay, the objective is to understand that Python variable can change data types. Okay, let's do that. Tags. So create a variable with an integer value, print its data type, change it to string, print its data types. Okay, sorry. So example of the output. The first one, before change it should be integer, after change should be string. Okay, let's do that. So we'll say name is equals to, I say name, sorry, let's use fruits. Fruits. Oh, okay, let's do Um, numbers. I think let's first do numbers, which is number number is equals to 200, or we should say population. I think when I use, okay, I can remember when I my popul yeah, my assignment is population. It will make sense like that. Population 200. Then we say print population. Print population. Okay. What am I even doing? Print type. Print type. Okay. Sorry, I didn't type the type very well. Okay. So this first one, what's going on? Oh, sorry. I've seen what's I've seen. Sorry, sorry. I've forgotten we've given it a variable. I was typing it as a string. Yeah. Why? Now can now change this. Let's change it to an actual. Let's change it to a. Okay. Okay. Create a value with an integer no, with an integer value, variable with an integer value. Print its data type. Change the variable to a string. Print the new data type. Okay. 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 Let's do this. Population. Population is equals to 200. Mm, mm, yeah, we can actually write 200 or say 200 because yeah, this quote is one of the that's what is making this a strength also. If we are not lying to ourselves, so I can type 200 in words, and so the goal is just to show that we can actually change it. That sorry, is to understand that Python can change data types. So yeah. Okay. Mm, okay. Now let's look at the mini projects. So the system is about to off. Let me quickly put it. Let me quickly charge it. Okay. Yeah. Mm, okay. Let's let's look at the mini projects. Look at the mini projects. Give me a minute. I'm trying to charge my system. Okay. Bonus challenge. Is this? Okay. This mini project is. I think is. Let's just do it. So mini project. I don't know. Okay. Project objective: build your first project scenario, your first Python application collection, and project scenario. Okay. This is a project scenario. We okay. I don't want the video to be too long. Let me stop this. Then we'll come for the project. Okay, let's just do it. Since it's just okay. Okay, display neatly the card use type function each. Okay. So now here's the project. A training institute wants to register students for a Python course. Your task is to create a simple program that collects the student information and display in a professional format. Okay. Project requirements. Your program should prompt the users to enter name, age. Okay, this is where we use user input and display a neatly formatted uh, student information card. Okay, yeah, and use the type functions to display your data type. Okay, so now, okay, this is what you are going to do. This is what you are going to do. So we'll say name. Name is equals to inputs. Name is equals to input. Enter your name. Enter your name. Age is equals to input. Enter your age. Input. Enter your age. And what else? Which one is the next one? Course. Okay. Course. Enter your course. Let's say course will be equals to input. Okay, enter. What am I doing? Enter your course. Okay, what else? Country. Enter your country. So country will be inputs. Enter your country. Your country. So what else? So now there's a format Timothy says we should follow. Yeah. Okay. Timothy says we should follow the formats if we want to print. So what's it called? We should follow the formats. So um okay, let me should I copy and paste the formats? You say you want it in this format. Let me copy and paste the formats. And okay, this is the format. You want it to be the card should be in this format. So yeah, you want it to be in this format to should display like this. Right? So this is what we'll do. So instead of just copying, just let's just say print. I want to use shortcut to print open brackets, print open brackets. This then print, trying to like print open brackets. Okay, let's see. Close brackets. Then same thing. Yeah. Print open brackets. Okay. So name. The card should show name. So we'll say print name. This is how Timothy posted it on the what does it called? On the question. So I'm just using shortcut. So it's too long, but yeah, name, print name. Our name is small letter, so we should not print name. Print name. Timothy. Print name. Name. Change it to name. Print name. Change to name. Now say print. Print age. Print age is now be comma. This one that I'm doing, I know there is going to be an error. Yes, you have to start writing long things like this. I know that there will be an error somewhere. What else? Age name, print course. You say print course. Print course. So country Country will be okay. Let me put the comma before. Country will be country. Country. Okay. Sorry. No, 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 no. This is not what I want. Okay. Okay. Prince. This particular session is long, man. Okay. So yeah, I think your Prince data types. Now say Prince. What are the things say we should do? Prince. I think we are going to print name. Mm, print name. Type. I think. Okay. Print name type. That's the type will be name. Let me do this for the same. So I'll change this one to each. This one to. I'll change this one to course. Then I'll change this one to country. Also, this code works. Okay. Okay, let's try. God, I beg let it work. Oh, God, I beg let it work. Oh. Wow. Yes. Enter your name. Olu Segun. Daniel is saying say yes. Greek. Let me just say Greek. USA. Oh yeah. So yeah. So everything is string. Yeah. So I think we are done with that. Oh, bonus challenge inputs. The inputs function stores as text. Improve your program by converting the age into an integer using ints. Okay. Okay. Using ints. Okay, there's a bonus question. They say everything is showing as text. We should improve it by using an integer. Using integer, we should just improve it. So so that's okay. So we're going to do now. Hmm. Okay, this question let us say be okay. 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 Mm, okay. Okay. This what we're going to do. Okay, I think um okay. PP fruits will make you happy. We are PP fruits will make you happy. We are HHPPY. Oh, okay, definitely this one we worked on should be hmm, hmm. Not to change it to string. Okay, okay. I think okay. It's now coming. 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 Okay. String. Is this the short form for string? Okay. Oh, yeah. Yeah, okay. Yeah. So to change that to string is same thing. So we'll say you see the one I changed to string. No, before I wrote it in what was it called? I wrote it in text, I mean in words. So now I had to like change it. I had to like change the functions to instead of leaving it as population equals to 200, I now changed it to population equals to string open bracket 200 to kind of tell it that I'm trying to convert it to a string. Also, the previous one too works, so but in some cases you can't use that step, just like the mini project we are about to answer. So there is a bonus challenge here that we should convert all our we should convert our age into integer instead of the usual string. So we won't be able to use that particular first one we use. So we just say age is it age, we use small letter. Remember, capital letter and small letter they are two different things, so you should know what you are doing. Age equals to int open brackets age int equals to into bracket age. So now let's print this, this is a bonus challenge. Let's bonus challenge match. So let's see. Okay, Segun, let me just, I'm too busy to type. country. Let's see. Okay, let's see. Okay, you can see that it has changed to string now. So yeah, I think we are good. We are good to go like this. We are good to go. So I think that's the end of the second lesson, the second hands-on practice. So yeah, see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye. Trying, trying to